So do you need a circular polarizer filter on the DJI Avata 2? Now it's all down to personal preference at the end of the day. Personally, I prefer to because I fly over a lot of water just like this. And in today's video, what I'm going to do is share some example footage for you so you can make your own mind up. Hi everyone, hope you're all tickety-boo. Here's another short video on this little beauty of a drone, the DJI Avata 2. And what we're going to do, like I said, was look at circular polarizers and whether or not you need them. But first off, I'm briefly going to explain to you what a circular polarizer does. At the end of the day, what it will do for you is it won't get rid of it fully, but what it will do is help reduce things like reflection and glare over shiny surfaces, just like water, cars, windows and things like that. So if, like me, you do a lot of flying over water, then I'd definitely strongly recommend that you get one of these, not just for this, but for any of your drones or cameras and things like that. It's probably one of those filters that nobody really thinks about unless they've actually used it, and once they have, they probably will never go out without one attached to their lens or their drone. But like I said, at the end of the day, it's down to your own personal preference, isn't it? And what I'll do, like I said, is show you some example footage in a minute. Plus, when we were out and about, we actually got to get a little bit of footage around some power boats and things like that, so we'll show that as well at the end. As in a choice of filters, at the end of the day, I use Freewell all the time, and the reason being is not only are they great quality, but they're also reasonably priced. And I've got them all my cameras and drones and things like that. You'll find plenty of videos on the channel about their type of filters, be it circular polarizers or ND filters and things like that. There'll be links up here. Plus, if you're interested in buying any of them, at the end of the day, there's going to be links down below, so it's easy for you to find them. So as you can see, they come in this nice little case, and they also have these little added touches like a mini cleaning cloth. And they're really easy to fit and remove. All you need to do is press it in here and then click it on the top, and then do a reverse action to take it off the lens. A little tip for you all, it may seem obvious, however, that's why they put the cleaning cloth in there. Whenever I fit these on, I've actually got the cloth over the top just like this, because then it'll save you getting any smudgy fingerprints on it, either it's on the front or back, and then you go off, do all your flying, get that epic footage, and come back and find you've got a smudgy old fingerprint on there. And I'm also going to be testing the ND filters on this little beauty, so if you're interested in those, don't forget to hit the subscribe. Plus there'll be a link for them either up here somewhere in the description or at the end of the video. Is that enough places I've left it for you? Anyway, let's go and check the footage out. What we'll do first of all is fly it over the water with no filter on it at all, and then we're going to bring it back in, put the filter on and fly over the same sort of route. And then what I'll do after that is put them side by side so you can compare the footage yourselves and make your own mind up. And like I said, at the end of it, I'll share some of the footage of me chasing the powerboats.
Won't cave under pressure. I go on for days. Make you believe me. You better pray. Born bred overcomer. I can't be contained. When it's all or nothing, make no mistake. I'm a game changer. I'm a risk taker. I don't hide from the battle. The battle hides from me. I'm a game changer. No time for excuses, no time for regret.
There you go. What do you think? Will you be getting a cert? If you've got any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments down below and I'll always get back to you. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you found this useful, then hit the old subscribe button. And if you're interested, there'll be more videos over here on this little beauty, plus other drones and cameras and things like that. Until next time, happy flying, stay safe out there, and above all, keep smiling. See ya.